Dear students, Namaste. I am CS. I am taking the maths online classes. Already we completed the exercise 9.1. Now we are going to start the exercise 9.2. Okay, now in this exercise, the very beginning problems are of some theory and somewhat not in order. So, in the previous video, we solved an example which is related with the concept of inserting some AMs between the two given numbers. So, related to that one, I want to solve the 14th problem. Okay, making some order. Okay, slowly will come. This exercise also is difficult and important problems are there. So, slowly we will solve it. I will solve first 14 and 4 and then we will go to 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Because of to make some order. You see here, the solution of the 14th problem. Same as the example, the previous video. Insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting series or sequence or progression is an AP. Okay, you open your textbook and you see there. Say, by the problem given numbers are, that is, one is 8 and another one is 26. Correct? There are two numbers just like A and B. And we are asked to insert the 5 AMs be, let the 5 AMs be, assume it is A1, A2, A3, A4 and 5, because we are asked to find, insert 5 AMs, 5 numbers were asked. If the resulting series is AP, then it is called as AMs, 5 AMs. Those are denoted by capital letters. Okay, na? The theory part is like that one. Such that, you see, that implies 8, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and not A6, that 626 is there. Are in AP. That is the problem. It is 26. Here you see A is equal to 8. First number. A is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. T7 is equal to 26. That implies T7, what is T7? A plus 6D is equal to 26. Okay, na? We know that in the AP, A comma, A plus D comma, A plus 2D comma, dash dash, it is A plus N minus 1 into D. Tn means A plus N minus 1 into D. Is correct, na? That formula is there. So, I am using that one. Suppose T10 means 10 minus 1, 9. T9 means 9 minus 1, 8 will come. Similarly, T7 means 7 minus 1 is 6D. Here, first term is 8. This is 6D is equal to 26. 6D is equal to 26 minus 8. Okay, na? It is 18. So, D is equal to 18 by 6 is equal to 3. So, D value is 3. Okay, na? 26 minus 8 is 18. 18 by 6 is 3. So A is known and D we found. So now we have a pakka A and D. Arithmetic, this is D means common difference. Now you see, I have to find this A1 first. This A1. Here, listen, A1 is the second term, T2. That is A plus 1D. That is equal to A is 8 plus D is 3. This is D. So it is 11. Therefore, capital A1 is first one, 11. Next, A2. A2 means, you see there, A2 means third term, first, second, third term. A2 is a third term. A plus 2D. 8 plus 2 into 3. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Okay, na? Therefore, A2 is equal to 14. Similarly, A3, A plus A3. A3 means, here, just wait, I have to write A2, it is T3. Okay, na? T3. A2 means T3. T3 means 2D. A3 means, don't confuse, it is T4, A plus 3D. So 8 plus 3 into 3, D is 3. So it is 8 plus 9 is 17. The gap is, the difference is 11, 14, 3 na, again 3. Next 3 means 20 will come. A4 is T5. A plus 4D. Don't confuse. 5 means 4D. 4 means 3D. 3 means 2D. 2 means 1D. It is 8 plus 4 into 3. That is 8 plus 12 is equal to how much? 20. Okay, na? Like this. Again, A5 means T6. A plus, this is 5D is equal to 8 plus 5 into 3. It is 8 plus 15 is equal to 23. Okay, Lena? A1, A2, this is A3, this is A4 and A5. So the 5 AMs. Hence, I have to write it as, hence the 5 AMs arithmetic means are, first one is A1. You see that A1 is 11, 11 comma 14 comma 17 comma 20 comma 23. And the next one is by adding 3, it is 26. And before that one is 8 only. We are given 8 and 26. Here you see, here the 8 and 26 given. There are 5 numbers are there which are in the sequence AP, which are in AP. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26. Okay, na? Like this, we have to solve that problem. Okay, na? Yeah. Just. Now, the 14th problem is over. Why? Because I not started the 1, 2 and 3. It is some order. The last concept is very important concept is inserting some given number of AMs between the two given numbers. So one example and this problem. It's important, you learn it well. Next we go to 4th problem. You see, it is also a good problem. How many numbers of AP, that AP is, that arithmetic progression is minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 and going on, are needed. In your textbook you see, for my purpose I wrote on the board, are needed to give the sum 25, minus 25. Sum Sn is there. The sum Sn is minus 25. The given series is there. The given AP is there. You see, the 4th problem. Solution. Okay, na? Given AP is, what is the AP? Minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 and so on. Okay, na? First term, second term, third term and going on. It is AP. Step by step we will come to the problem. Here A is equal to T1, the first term is minus 6. A value is given. And CD is equal to simply D. It is noted as a D. CD means common difference. Notation is D. Is T2 minus T1? Yeah. What is T2 minus 11 by 2? Minus of minus 6. Will you agree there? A. T1 is minus 6. So minus 11 plus 12 by 6. That is 1 by 6. Therefore D is equal to 1 by 6. Is correct? D, common difference notation. D is equal to 1 by 6. 12 plus 12. 2, 6, LCM 12. Minus into minus plus. 12 minus 11 is 1 by, it is 1 by 2 now. It is 2. 12 minus 11 by 2. Here also 2. So common difference is 1 by 2. A is first term is minus 6. So A is equal to minus 6 and D is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, correct. This is needed for any problem related with the arithmetic progression, AP. Now, what we are asked, in this series are needed how many terms? Let it be n terms. N terms are needed to make a sum minus 25. That is the meaning. You see, let, observe me, let the number of terms needed to make a sum, that is minus 25 B n. We are assuming in this series there are n terms. Say for example 10 terms sum is minus 25 or 8 terms sum is minus 25. That number is asked. How many numbers sum is minus 25? That is the question. Let we are assuming it is n terms. That implies Sn is equal to minus 25. So, That implies Sn means, what is Sn? It is n by 2 of A plus L is 25. Will agree? That is the formula is there. That is clearly n by 2 A plus. What is L? L is the nth term. Tn. Clearly in the theory part I told you. The last but one step and this one step is there. Tn means last term, nth term is L. Minus 25. N by 2 A plus. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into d. So, okay, na? Is minus 25. Okay, na? Here, this A is the first term, the last term is Tn. Tn means A plus n minus 1. T10 means A plus 10 minus 90. The formula is there. And it's a continuation. This is n by 2 na. What is A? LHS, RHS is going on. At the time we use the implies. This implies is going on continually. Implies and that is equals. N by 2. A plus A, 2A na, plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 25. N by 2 into 2 into what is A? Is minus 6. Is correct? N minus 1 into what is d? Is 1 by 2. D is 1 by 2. I am substituting here. Okay, na? Minus 25. That is n by 2. This is minus 12. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 25. Don't confuse. It is arithmetic. Minus 12. N minus 1 into 1 by 2 means n minus 1 by 2. You see, it is n by 2 of minus 24 plus n minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 25. Will agree? LCM 2 nana. 12 to 24. This n minus 1 is as it is by 2. Here in denominator already 2 is there. 2 into 2. Okay na? 2 into 2, 4 goes to that side. Now I will solve here. Okay na? I will solve here. Just observe me. You see, it is n. This 2 into 2, 4 goes to that side. Minus 25 into 4 is minus 100. Minus 24 minus 1. Minus 25 is there. Don't confuse. This is, I am writing here. It is n of n minus 25 is minus 100. Will agree, Nana? 2 into 2, 4. 4, 25 is minus 100. N minus 24 minus 1. Minus 25. So it is n square minus 25n plus 100 is equal to 0. Will you agree? N into n square minus 25n minus 100 comes to this side. It is 100. You see, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. How can you solve it? How can you solve it? N square x square plus ax plus c is there, x square plus ax square plus bx plus c is there, like that. It is a quadratic equation in terms of n. How can you factorize? The method is there, formula method is there. 100, you make the product of two numbers, 10 into 10, that 10 plus 10 will not give 25. Is there any number? Any factors? You solve it. 100, 10 into 10, 25 fours. But here it is 25 only. Okay, na? Here it is only 25. Will you solve it, or otherwise you apply the formula also? Okay, na? You see, 100 means 25. Will you agree, na? 25 is 100. 20 plus 5 is 100. So we can write it as n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 is equal to 0. So it is n of n minus 20 minus 5 of n minus 20 is equal to 0. Because minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 5 20 is 100. In both cases n minus 20 is common. Here n, here 5 is equal to 0. So it is n is n minus 20 or n minus 5 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 20 or n is equal to 5. Okay, na? You get it, na? But substitute. You see which one is minus 25, we'll see. Suppose T5 is there. T5 n S5. S5 means we are verifying. S5 means sum to 5 numbers. Sum to 5 numbers means 5 by 2. That is n by 2 formula is there. Okay, na? Directly we apply this one. N by 2 is 5 by 2. 2 into minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 into 1 by 2. It is 5 by 2 minus 12. This is 4 by 2 means plus 2. Okay, na? 4 by 2, 4. It is 5 by 2 minus 10. Okay, na? It is minus 25 is there. Okay, na? 2 5s later, minus 25. Okay, na? Like that. Is it possible to get 20? We will verify. But it is not needed. For your sake, I am giving this one. Similarly, you solve it. Which one is correct? You solve. Okay, na? So this is a correct one. Okay, na? But it is not needed. In the solution, you don't write this one. Okay, na? Like this also, you verify. Yes, 20 is 20 by 2 na, by using this formula. 20 by 2 na, 2 into a, it is minus 6, a is minus 6, plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1 into 1 by 2. It is 10 na, 20 by 2, 10. It is minus 12. It is 19, 19 by 2 is there. It is minus 24 plus 19 by 2. It is how many 2's, 5's, minus how much? Minus 24 plus 19, minus 5 is there. So it is minus 25. It's correct? So we are getting n value in 2 ways. Again, when n is equal to 20, that is the sum of 20 terms also, again we get the same minus 25. First, minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5, third term, fourth term, fifth term. That total sum is 25. Before that one, I solved it. So n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 20, both are correct. You see, whenever the roots of quadratic equation are 2 na, the two values may be correct. The two values may be correct. Or one value may be correct, another value may be not correct. Like that also is there. Because if the two values are real values, yes, it is correct. One is, if you substitute in that equation, or sometimes it will not be satisfied. At that time, you have to check out which one is correct. We have to check out. Okay, Nena? But it is not needed. You simply, for your sake, you write on the separately and erase it. Okay, na? So the number of terms are of 2 types, whose sum is minus 25. Yes, okay na? Yeah. Next, we will go to the next problem. The next problem is, we will go to the first one. 14, 4 is over. First one is, find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. From 1 to 2001. From 1 to 2001. That means including 1 and 2001 also included. The sum of odd numbers only. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, going on up to 2000. One also is odd number. Before this one, just before this one is 2000. 2000 is even number, but 2001 is a odd number, including from 1 to 2001. That means it starts at 1 and ends at 2001. Okay, Nana? You see here, A is equal to, first term is 1 and Tn is equal to, what is Tn? 2001. It may be L also, last term. What is the sum? Sn is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus dash dash plus 2001. Where needed n by 2 of 2a plus n is needed. L plus L, here L is there, A is also there. A is 1, L is 2001. But what about n? So here it is needed. Tn is equal to 2001. What is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 2001. What is D? First of all, you see, Nana, D is T2 minus T1. You see, T2 is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Is clear? In this series, D is 2. We substitute here. A is 1, n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 2001. This 2n minus 2, none. 2n minus 1 is equal to 2001. 2n is equal to 2002. 1 is added. N is equal to by 2. When is okay na? So substitute 1 by 2. A is 1, L is 2001. So it is 1 by 2. 2002. It is 1 into 1. Okay, na? You calculate it. I will calculate and substitute here.